What are a couple great ways to combat inflation? Hey everyone, since we're directly involved in the marketplace, we're working with clients, helping them with their investments, and working on our own investment projects, this subject seems to come up a lot. So how do you beat inflation? To me, it seems there's really only two options, thinking defensively and offensively. Thinking defensively means cutting costs, spending less, being on top of a budget. It's smart, but there also comes a point where you can only make so many budget cuts. At some point, and this seems to be more and more of a reality in the direction our economy is headed, inflation is going to catch up and there will be no more cuts you can make. So budgeting and spending control is definitely one tool in your tool belt. The other side of the coin is thinking offensively and earning more. And that can be overtime at your job, starting or growing your business, or using the money you have as leverage to grow more money, kind of like a money tree. You plant those seeds in safe and effective investments, and they grow over time to make sure your money is keeping up or even outpacing inflation. The great thing about this is, as your money grows, it provides you with more and more seeds that you can plant here and there, which in turn keeps your money growing even more. One thing is definitely clear. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. And there's been a growing debate about what the actual inflation rate currently is. Some stats show that it's less than 4% per year, but other studies have shown that it can be as high as 15 to 18% by some other indicators. Now, I'm not an economist, so I'll leave that debate on the shelf for the economists, but either way, it's clear that your money is losing value every day if you're not growing it. If you had $50,000 sitting stagnant and the cost of goods are going up by only 8% per year, then $50,000 is only going to be worth around $38,000 in 3 years. On the flip side, if you invested that same $50,000 in a solid investment, you could be sitting on around $68,000 instead. The numbers get even more staggering when you're talking about $250,000. That could be reduced to a buying power of only $194,000 in 3 years. Or it could be raised to $341,000 if properly invested. So, what vehicles are people using to grow their money these days? Well, you've got simple interest-bearing accounts like a bank. You've got the stock market, a self-directed IRA. You've got real estate, collectibles, precious metals like gold or silver. You've got crypto. You've got whole life insurance policies. And we'll get into each of these a little bit deeper in some future videos, but which one is the best for you? A lot of that is going to depend on your goals. What is most important to you? Are you looking for the safest possible investment? Are you looking for monthly cash flow? Are you looking for the absolute maximum growth you can get? Sitting down and getting some clarity and deciding that is going to help point you to investing your money with a purpose that serves you, your family, and your legacy. So I'd love to hear what you are doing to grow your money and what's your favorite growth vehicle. Drop your comments below, and as always, if you want to hear what we're doing in the marketplace to grow our money about 3 to 4 times as fast as a savings account, just drop us a message. It may not be exactly what you're thinking. This is Corey Fager. Have a great week, and remember to love where you live.